This is a quick demonstration of writing and editing on a Braille display paired with an iPad. I'm using a Brilliant BI-20X. It's paired with an iPad running VoiceOver. I'm in the Pages app and I have zoomed in on the screen so that you can see the word ran. Okay, so when you're in an editable text field, such as the Pages app, the iPad screen will display a blinking visual I-beam cursor. This cursor indicates where you currently are in the document. In the example, the visual blinking I-beam cursor is after the word ran. The Braille display also has a blinking cursor, which is two dots moving rapidly up and down, simulating the visual I-beam blinking cursor on the iPad. On the Braille display, dot 8 in the first cell and dot 7 in the second cell are blinking. The blinking cursor intentionally spans two Braille cells because if you're inserting a letter, the letter will be between the two cells. When deleting a letter, the letter being deleted will be the letter to the cell to the left of the blinking cursor. In this case, it would be the letter being deleted would be the A. There are two ways to edit. Editing with the D chord, which is delete 1, 4, 5 space, or editing using the router buttons. The D chord 1, 4, 5 space is the delete command. Editing with the D chord is the method of erasing or deleting the letters and then retyping. For example, if the student typed ran, but the word should be run, dot 8 of the blinking cursor will be under the N, and we're going to make a D chord 1, 4, 5 space. We're going to delete the N, and it's deleted from the Braille display, but you still see the N on the iPad. I'm going to delete again to delete the A, and now I'm going to type in UN. And then I'm going to go ahead and do space so that it shows up on the iPad as well.
Space.
Okay. So now let's edit using the router buttons. This is the more efficient way to edit the word, is to navigate directly to the letter that should be deleted using the router button. In our example, we have the word run. I want to now delete the U and replace that with an A. So I'm going to go to the U. I'm going to go to the routing button above the U and over one to the right, and I'm going to press that. Now my blinking cursor is in between dot 8 of the U and dot 7 of the N. I'm going to do the delete chord 1, 4, 5 space to get rid of the U. And now I'm going to add A. I'm going to type A. So now I have ran on my Braille display. I'm going to use the routing button above the N and one to the right to move my cursor. And now you see it says ran, and then I'm going to go ahead and press spacebar.
Ran.
And that made the text change on the iPad to ran. While this might sound like a lot of steps, it's the most efficient way of editing a word within a sentence or a passage, as it does not require deleting or retyping all the words in the passage.